Have you ever looked up at the sky and felt a profound sense of wonder, a deep knowing that you were meant for more? Like there's a reason you're here, a purpose you're destined to fulfill? You, my friend, might be what some call a chosen one. Now, before you brush this off as something out of a movie, let me ask you this. What if the whispers you feel in your heart, the call to adventure in your soul, are real? What if you truly are meant for something extraordinary? In this video, we're going to explore 9 powerful signs that suggest you might be a chosen one. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover what it truly means to embrace your purpose, and why it's crucial to act on it now. Have you ever felt like you didn't quite belong, like you were a puzzle piece from a different set? Like no matter how hard you tried, you just couldn't fit into the mold that society has created for you? Like you saw the world through a different lens than everyone else? As if your perspective was uniquely your own, colored by experiences and insights that others might not understand? This feeling, my friend, is not a weakness, it's a sign that you are attuned to something greater, something beyond the ordinary. Chosen ones often feel like outsiders because they are not meant to conform. They are meant to transform. They are meant to challenge the status quo and bring about meaningful change. Think about it. True changemakers, the ones who shift paradigms and rewrite history, rarely come from a place of fitting in. They are the ones who dare to be different, who embrace their unique vision and use it to inspire others. They come from a place of deep, inner knowing, a place that whispers, there's a different way, a better way, a way that only you can see, a path that only you can forge. This difference you feel, this sense of not belonging, is your strength. It is the very thing that sets you apart and makes you capable of extraordinary things. It's a signal that you're not meant to follow the well-trodden path. Instead, you are meant to explore uncharted territories, to venture into the unknown with courage and conviction. You are meant to carve your own, to forge a new way, to lead others towards a brighter future. Your journey is not just for you, it is for all those who will follow in your footsteps. Embrace your uniqueness, my friend. It's not an accident, it's a calling to be the best version of yourself and to make a difference in the world. Have you ever had a gut feeling, a deep inner knowing that told you to take a certain path or make a specific decision, even when logic dictated otherwise? Perhaps it was a moment when everything seemed uncertain, and yet, there was a quiet voice inside you, guiding you, urging you to trust it. And when you followed that feeling, it led you to exactly where you needed to be. Maybe it was a job opportunity, a relationship, or even a simple choice that turned out to be life-changing. That, my friend, is your intuition speaking, and it's one of the most powerful signs of a chosen one. It's that inner voice that seems to know the right path, even when the road ahead looks foggy and unclear. Chosen ones are often blessed with a heightened sense of intuition, an inner compass that guides them towards their true north. This sense of knowing is not just a random occurrence. It's a profound connection to the universe, a guiding light that helps navigate through life's complexities. This inner voice is not random. It's your connection to something greater, a source of wisdom that transcends the limitations of the logical mind. It's like having a direct line to a higher power, a source of infinite knowledge and understanding. The key is to learn to trust this inner voice. It requires practice and patience, but the rewards are immense. The more you listen, the more you will find that it never steers you wrong. It may whisper at first, a subtle nudge or a gentle pull, but the more you pay attention, the more clear and powerful it becomes. Over time, this voice can become a guiding force in your life, leading you to places you never imagined. Think about a time when your intuition guided you towards a positive outcome. Reflect on how it felt to trust that inner knowing and the results it brought. The more you trust and act on your intuition, the more aligned you become with your purpose. Embrace this gift and let it lead you to your highest potential. Do you feel an undeniable pull towards helping others? A deep sense of fulfillment when you ease their burdens or ignite a spark of hope in their hearts? This innate desire to make a difference in the world is not just kindness, it's a calling, a sign that you are meant for something more. Chosen ones often possess an abundance of empathy and compassion. They see the suffering in the world, not with pity, but with a fierce determination to alleviate it. They are the healers, the teachers, the guides, the ones who dedicate their lives to uplifting humanity. This desire to serve is not a burden, it's a gift. It's what gives your life meaning and purpose. Think about the ways you're naturally drawn to help others, Your willingness to help others is a testament to your chosen nature. Has life thrown you more than your fair share of curveballs? Do you often feel like you're navigating a storm that never seems to end? Have you faced challenges that made you question your strength, your resilience, even your purpose? Don't despair, my friend. These moments of doubt are natural and part of the journey. These challenges are not meant to break you, they are meant to shape you. Each obstacle you face is a stepping stone, a lesson in disguise. Chosen ones often face greater challenges because they are being prepared for something extraordinary. Your path is unique, and so are the trials you encounter. These trials are like a crucible, forging your spirit, refining your character, and equipping you with the wisdom and strength you'll need to fulfill your mission. Just as a blacksmith tempers steel, life tempers you. Think about it. Would a swordsmith entrust a dull, untested blade to a warrior heading into battle? No, they would ensure it is ready for the challenges ahead. They would forge it in fire, hammer it with precision, and sharpen it until it could cleave through any obstacle. This meticulous process is what makes the blade strong and reliable. Your challenges are your forge. They are the fires that mold you, the hammers that shape you, and the sharpening stones that refine you. They are shaping you into the best version of yourself, preparing you to wield your gifts with power and grace. Embrace these challenges, for they are the making of you. Do you ever feel like you're here for a reason, even if you can't quite put it into words? Like your life has a specific mission, a calling that's waiting to be unveiled? This deep sense of purpose, my friend, is not a coincidence. It's a sign that you are meant for something more. Chosen ones often feel a pull towards something greater, a sense of knowing that their life has a specific direction and meaning. This purpose may not be crystal clear at first. It may reveal itself gradually, like a path unfolding step by step. The key is to trust this inner knowing, to follow the breadcrumbs of synchronicity and intuition that lead you towards your destiny. Take some time to reflect on your passions, your values, and the things that make your heart come alive. Do you feel emotions deeply, both yours and those of others? Are you sensitive to energy, able to sense the unspoken words and hidden feelings in a room? This heightened empathy, my friend, is not a weakness, it's a superpower. Chosen ones are often gifted with an abundance of empathy, allowing them to connect with others on a profound level. They feel the joys and sorrows of the world as if they were their own, offering a beacon of understanding and compassion in a world that desperately needs it. This ability to connect deeply can feel overwhelming at times, but it's important to remember that it's a gift, not a curse. It allows you to build bridges of understanding, to heal wounds, and to offer comfort to those in need. Remember, your empathy is a gift. Have you ever experienced a series of seemingly coincidental events that felt too perfect to be random? Perhaps you kept seeing the same number sequence, or you bumped into the right person at the exact right time. These synchronicities, my friend, are not mere accidents. They are winks from the universe, guiding you toward your destiny. Chosen ones often find themselves at the center of such synchronicities. These events are not meant to be brushed aside as mere coincidence. They are messages from the universe, nudging you in the right direction, confirming that you're on the right path. The key is to pay attention to these synchronicities, to recognize them as signposts on your journey. When you open your heart and mind to the possibility of synchronicities, you'll begin to see them everywhere, guiding you toward your highest potential. Do you question everything, challenging outdated beliefs and pushing the boundaries of what's considered normal? This rebellious spirit, my friend, is not a flaw, it's a sign of your chosen nature. Chosen ones are rarely content with the status quo. They see the flaws in the system, the injustices that need to be rectified, and the outdated beliefs that need to be challenged. They are the disruptors, the innovators, the ones who dare to envision and create a better world. This courage to challenge the norm is not about being confrontational, it's about standing up for what you believe in, even when it's unpopular. Remember, your willingness to challenge the norm is a testament to your commitment to creating a better future. Have people ever told you that you have an aura about you, a certain energy that draws them in and inspires them to be better versions of themselves? This magnetism, my friend, is not an act, it's a reflection of your inner light. Chosen ones often possess a natural charisma, an inner radiance that inspires and motivates others without even trying. They lead by example, their passion and purpose contagious to those around them. This ability to inspire is not about seeking attention, it's about being authentically you, allowing your light to shine brightly so that others may find their own. Reflect on the ways you inspire others, use it wisely, and watch as your light ignites a spark in the hearts of those around you. If these signs resonated with you, if they sparked a knowing within your soul, then congratulations, my friend. You may very well be a chosen one. But remember, being chosen isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about recognizing the unique gifts you have and using them to make a difference in the world. The world needs your light now more than ever. It needs your compassion, your courage, your unique perspective. Don't shrink back from your calling. Step into it with your whole heart. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these signs resonated with you the most? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into your purpose, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded souls. Together, we'll uncover even more about your purpose in upcoming videos.